Hey guys, welcome back. Quick tips and tricks here that we're going to be going over. We are looking today at library functions. Basically, you'll notice in some of my code that I'm adding libraries that you guys aren't familiar with or that maybe weren't gone over in the lecture and you want to know where those came from, how to operate them, things like that. So if you look at week 2 advice, and I'm sure it's in various other places as well, but you're going to find something called manual CS50.io. It's a really important tool for explaining to you guys where the libraries are coming from and what they do. It's also very simple. So if you're looking for a particular library or you're looking for a particular function, you can type in around and it tells you that you need the math H library. If you don't type in something that you're looking for, you can actually go through the libraries, and not only does it tell you what the code is here on the left, it tells you what it does on the right. So you have your math functions here. What do these do? Your studio H, here's your printf, your scan, your sprintf, right? Print a string, your studio lib.h, string.h. These libraries are the CS50 libraries that have been created for you guys to use and will help you accomplish some of your goals along the way. So be cognizant of that. If you want to know where the libraries are coming from and where to find them, you often find them in the advice page. But again, it's manual.cs50.io, and that tells you the various functions in the various libraries that are accessible from CS50 to you as you go through these. They don't explain that in the lectures, and sometimes you guys are looking, probably wondering where I grabbed these libraries from or how I knew how to use them. This is actually how that happens, and it's important for you guys to do it when you start coding your own things. Now remember, these are libraries with repositories. As one of my subscribers pointed out, you could technically do some of these codes yourself and leave out the library altogether. But what that would mean is that each time you're in a code and need a particular function, you would have to define that item, whatever it is you're trying to do, define it, tell the computer what it is, and then use that input in your code, basically creating a long list of essentially something you won't be needing because it's already been provided for you. So that's where our libraries come from. Keep an eye on them, get familiar with them so you understand where these things are coming from and how you can use them in your code to make it work out better. Thanks a lot. See you guys soon.